Good evening, my name is Ekaterina, and I will present today the part of my PhD work. And I think I'm from the brain simulation platform, right? So as it was mentioned yesterday in a brilliant talk by Felix, that the processes in the brain span multiple temporal and spatial scales, from nanometer to meters, from a microsecond to months and years, and in neuroscience, depending on the scientific question asked, we used to abstract the physics using different formalisms like molecular dynamics or single neuron-based models, and etc. But to understand such phenomena, for example, as synaptic plasticity, learning and memory, we can't ignore interaction of multiple processes, for example, on the subcellular and cellular levels. To perform such multiscale simulations, one of the possibilities is to use a so-called co-simulation technique, when we have different subsystems simulated simultaneously and exchange information during the runtime. And apart from the question about how to breach really different physics, this scenario gives rise to such questions: how to perform, how to couple the numerical solvers, and how to perform this co-simulation efficiently. In this project, we investigate different numerical artifacts that may occur during this co-simulation. For example, numerical instability, and in particular, we developed just a test case, a multiscale model that span two levels of cellular level and subcellular network level, and we address such questions: how to organize the components of the system. For example, when we have a communication of a bidirectional communication between the components, which component has to be solved first. And we also address the question of approximation of the exchange variables between the components, because different numerical solvers require the exchange variables in a certain point of time, and according approximation of the variables is required, since it may have a crucial impact on the accuracy of the coupled simulation and the stability. So we proposed the adaptive integration method, and here our first results, here we compare the our method that is marked here as a BDF method with a method that so far has been used in neuroscience in the literature. And here we compare the efficiency by plotting the accuracy of the solution versus the number of ODE calls of the system. And our preliminary results show that our method show much more efficient simulation while preserving the accuracy, the desired accuracy of the coupled simulation. So yeah, and I will be happy to discuss the method in more details and the results during the poster session. Thank you.